In terms of the technology that's available to us today, in terms of what we can do with learning analytics, what are the key benefits for students?
Technology has enhanced the education environment, without doubt. The data is powerful, and I think the data can inform our direction. I think those two things are really essential. So the technology is allowing our students to engage in education at a level they've never previously engaged, both inside the classroom and outside the classroom. The data is informing and supporting or refuting the teacher concepts and ideas about the student.
And the power of real-time data, real-time learning, is that it provides you with a better view of what's going on right now in order to make decisions that support learning right now, rather than having relied on lag data that might be a few months old. Now that's powerful.
We've never had assessment. Formative.
Absolutely, yeah. Getting away from the old staid summative assessment models, which, test people at certain points of the year. Too bad if you had a bad day. Whereas formative data at your fingertips is so much more powerful, and that augments learning experiences. There's no question about that.
And will take students to another level.
Yes.
And I think at the end of the day, what we are looking after is a much more effective learning experience. And I think both the students and instructors would be much more satisfied and in realizing a much more effective learning experience overall.
And one of the other factors that jumps into this frame is that this is actual evidence. This goes beyond observation, which I'm not saying is a bad thing. It's good. It actually complements, classroom observation and intuition. So you can have a richer reflection on what happened during a learning experience and how you might change that going forward. So you can have conversations with your colleagues, and students can talk with their parents about what's going on, and they indeed have a collection of evidence about their learning too that they can reflect on.
And the data analytics brings in a range of data sets.
That's right.
It's a range. It's not just one. It's a multiples that are all designed to move that student forward.
For me, the most important benefit that I've seen with my eyes in my experiences using data is that I can provide students with this personalization. I can talk to them in different ways depending on their needs, and I become much more aware of those needs and those differences, and therefore I feel much more prepared to act, and I think students perceive that.